Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Santihi Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha.
Let's move on to the next one, neck movement. Place your hand on your lap in Chin Mudra position. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Now, breathe out. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Breathe in. Bring your head up, stretching backwards. Be aware of your neck bones. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now we move on to the next one, neck rotation movement. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale. Complete the rotation, bringing to the normal position. Exhale. Do it anti-clockwise. Exhale. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale.
Anti-clockwise.
Now do it anti-clockwise.
Okay. One. Inhale.
Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we move on to the wrist rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist in clockwise direction. Repeat this for 4 times. Rotate your wrist in clockwise direction for 4 times. Now repeat your wrist in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Repeat your wrist in anti-clock direction for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Stand properly. Sit down. Please sit down. Sukhasana. Lay down postures. Lay down and prone postures. Lay down back savasana. Legs between 1 feet distance. Body beside the palms. Completely body relax. Whole body relax. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Uttana Padasana. Savasana. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Samastiti. Join your legs. Hands together. Slowly raise your right leg at 45 degrees angle. Do not knee bend. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your left leg at 45 degrees angle. Observe your body parts. Observe your position. Concentrate. Eyebrows center. Do not knee bend. Slowly down, breathe out. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Slowly raise your both legs. Observe your natural breath. Do not knee bend. Slowly down, breathe out. Relax. Savasana. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Do 3 times. Samastiti. Join your legs, hands together, body beside the palms on the ground. Navasana. Raise your both legs. Raise your head with hands raised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Legs, hands, head down. Relax. Savasana. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Samastiti. Join your legs. Join your hands. Body beside the palms. Prone postures. Raise your right hand. Turn your body. Fully turn. Stomach, chest. Touch the ground. Chin. Touch the ground. Join your legs. Hands together. Body beside the palms. On the ground. Slowly raise your right leg. Salabhasana. Observe your natural breath. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your left leg. As possible as raise. Do not strain. Do not knee bend. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your both legs. Salabhasana. Under the legs, hands. Raise your both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, slowly breathe out. Relax, Makarasana. Legs between 1 feet distance. Turn your palms. Foot. Opposite heels. Relax, Makarasana. Relaxation, one of the relaxation posture. Makarasana. Join your legs. Hands down. Raise your hands. Stretch your body. Slowly raise your right leg. Now Kasan. Raise your left hand with head raised. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your left leg. Hand with head raised. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down slowly. Raise your both legs and both hands raise with head raised. Inhale. Raise your both legs, both hands with head raised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, slowly breathe out. Relax Makarasana. Bend your hands under the head, palms. Relax Makarasana. Legs between 1 feet distance. Opposite heels. Samasthiti. Join your legs. Hands down slowly. This position, Samasthiti, Bhujangasana, chest beside the palms on the ground. Slowly raise your head and chest up to navel region. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your head and chest up to navel region. Concentrate on eyebrow center. Observe your natural breath. Down, slowly breathe out. Relax. Hands down. This is like this. Makarasana, one of the variation, relaxation posture. Like this position, Makarasana, head beside the palms, relax. Slowly, Dhanurasana, fold your right leg, catch right ankle, fold your left leg, catch left ankle, stretch your body, raise up, raise your legs, stretch your hands, raise your head and chest up, one, as possible as stretch up, down, breathe out, repeat one round, stretch your legs up, raise your head and chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax, release your legs, hands down, relax Makarasana. One of the relaxation posture, Makarasana.
Now form Savasana. Samasthiti. Now let's start another pose, Pavana Muktasana. Now let's see some amazing benefits of Pavana Muktasana. It strengthens the abdominal muscles and massages the intestines and internal organs of the digestive system, therefore releasing trapped gases and improving digestion. It improves the circulation of blood in the hip area. It eases the tension in the lower back. It helps to stretch the back and neck. Samasthiti. Now let's see the technique of this Pavana Muktasana. First, lie flat on your back on a smooth surface, ensuring that your feet are together and your arms are placed beside your body. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest and press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs as if you are hugging your knees. Hold the asana while you breathe normally. Every time you exhale, make sure you tighten the grip of the hands on the upper shins and increase the pressure on your chest. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Exhale and release the pose after you rock and roll from side to side about 3 to 5 times. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Savasana. Now let's do the Pavanamuktasana with single leg. First, lie flat on your back on a smooth surface, ensuring that your feet are together and your arms are placed beside your body. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, bring your right knee towards your chest and press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs as if you are hugging your knee. Hold the asana while you breathe normally. Every time you exhale, make sure you tighten the grip of the hands on the upper shins and increase the pressure on your chest. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Now, exhale. Inhale. Relax. Savasana. Now let's do the Pavanamuktasana with left leg. Same procedure. Please follow the same procedure. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Savasana. Now let's move on to Setu Bandhasana. It is also called bridge pose. Let's see some amazing benefits of this Setu Bandhasana. It stretches the chest, neck, spine and hips. It helps relieve symptoms of menopause. It reduces backache and headache. And it also rejuvenates tired legs. Now let's see the technique of this bridge pose. To begin, lie on your back. Fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor. Now fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor, 10 to 12 inches from your pelvis, with knees and ankles in a straight line. Keep your arms beside your body, palms facing downward. Inhaling, slowly lift your lower back. Now hold your both ankles with your both palms. Inhaling, slowly lift your lower back, middle back and upper back off the floor. Gently roll in the shoulders. Touch the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down. Supporting your weight with your shoulders, arms and feet. Feel your bottom firm up in this pose. Both the thighs are parallel to each other and to the floor. If you wish, you could interlace the fingers and push the hands on the floor to lift the torso a little more up, or you could support your back with your palms. Keep breathing easily. Hold the posture for a minute or two and exhale as you gently release the pose. Now let's repeat this for 2 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Savasana. Now slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Samasthiti. Please get up. Sukhasana. Samasthiti. Now let's start Gomukhasana. It is also called cow pose. It is called cow pose since it resembles cow face. Let's see the benefits of this Gomukhasana. It helps curing sciatica. It relieves stress from lower and upper back. And it strengthens muscles in both hands and legs. Let's see the technique of this Gomukhasana. Now, fold your right leg and bring your right feet under your left hip. Now, fold your left leg and bring it beside your right thigh. Make sure your both knees are one on the other. Now, slowly raise your left hand and bring it back to interlock it with right hand. Now relax. Now let's do the same Gomukhasana in the opposite direction. Fold your left leg and bring your left feet under your right hip. Next, fold your right leg and bring it beside your left thigh. Make sure your both knees are one on the other. Now slowly raise your right hand and bring it back to interlock it with left hand. Relax. Now, Dandasana. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale. Let us start Janu Sirasana. Janu means knee, Siramu means head. Since you touch your head with your knee, it's called Janu Sirasana. Now let's see some benefits of this pose. It reduces abdominal fat. It strengthens and flexes backbone. Now let's see the technique of this Janu Sirasana. First, Samasthiti. Hold your right leg to see that your palm reaches your pelvic. Raise your both hands up and slowly bend forward to hold your big toe. And touch your knee with your head. Relax. Bring your hands down. Release your leg. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Now let's do it with the left leg. Fold your left leg to see that your palm reaches your pelvic. Now raise your hands up and slowly bend forward to hold your big toe. Touch your right knee with your head. Hold there for a few seconds. Relax. Now bring your hands down. Release your leg. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Now let's start Purvottana Asanam. Slowly rise your whole body up, balancing on your both hands and both feet.
And fully bend back.
Bend your head completely. Now relax. Dandasana. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Dandasana. Now we switch on to Vakrasana. First, fold your right leg and bring it beside your left thigh. Raise your left hand and bring it around your right knee and touch your right feet. Stretch your right hand to your back and turn back side. Relax. Now we do this Vakrasana with the other leg. Now fold your left leg and bring it beside your right thigh. Raise your right hand and bring it around your right knee and touch left feet. Stretch your left hand to your back and turn back side. Turn back side as much as you can. Relax. Dandasana. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax.
Start Swasti prayer.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां शान्तिः भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम नमः। ओम नमः।
Thank you.